just a few minutes, I have my complete woodshop set up.
Stop the show. I had to break in here with exciting news. In this video, you see me telling you about the entire Smart Woodshop system. This is from about 2 years ago. What's new is today, now you can order the Polk Smart Bench ready to assemble, shipped to your door. It's exciting. I've got my own now. I had it shipped to me and I just put it together. I shot a video of the whole thing. I'll be editing that and I'll put it up as a companion so you'll know exactly how to put it together. Although you can't make a mistake. This thing has tab and slot assembly and it goes together. It's absolutely beautiful. There'll be a link in the video down below, or you can just go to thesmartwoodshop.com, easy to remember, and share with all of your friends and even people you don't like. And go there, and if you click on Ron's store and you scroll down, there's the plans. You can, if you get the bench, you want some of the accessories, you can still buy the plans and build those yourself. But if you scroll down past there, you'll see there it is, the Polk Smart Bench. And that's actually a picture of it. And you click buy now, go and order it, and it'll be shipped to you. And I can't wait to get your feedback. Back to the video.
All of that is plugged in into one location, which is the vacuum. And then I have the one cord that goes to the wall that powers up everything. So mobility then is I've got this long cord and it's easy just to move it around where I need it. And just with my toe, flip that up, it drops the cart down on the floor. And now the bench is rock solid. When I want to get mobile again, all I have to do is come to the end, push that bar, come to the other end, push that bar, they lock up. It's just those wheels are working like silk. It does not take very long to set this up. And the amount of time that it takes to set this up will be repaid to you many times over just in the one day. And if you're like me, a job is never one day. So when I set this up on a job, it's going to be there for days or weeks or even months. And the ability to just move it around and keep using it, it really is a way to increase your profitability. When you set up that first time on a job and the customer that's hired you sees you, they're on their phone calling their buddy down the street saying, you have got to come see this guy's setup. I've had that happen so many times. It's so fun to watch a customer that's hired me and his friend say, hey, can we go into your trade and look? And they go in and spend half an hour looking, come out with these big grins on their face. You're hired because they're going to tell friends and tell friends and tell friends. Your jobs are going to go better. You're going to get more work. You're going to be more profitable. You're going to be healthier and happier. So if you don't have the time to be cleaned up and lean and efficient, that should be a signal to you right there to stop and think. You would have the time if you were set up and organized and lean. Hey, I hope you enjoy these videos and all these videos that I put up, and the benches and the things that I've done. They've all been around the idea of improving your ability to work with wood and to build things, whether they're pieces of furniture or whether they're a kitchen full of cabinets or an entire house. If you like hanging out here, if you've learned anything, and if you'd like to see me make more videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.